Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Pelumi. If it's your first time coming across the channel, you're welcome. On this channel I share sewing, DIY and craft videos. Yeah, so if you're into that kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the video, and turn on your notifications so that you receive a notification whenever I upload new videos, which is I try every week. So today's video is kind of a special one. I'm really excited. It's going to be an unboxing video. I have not done any unboxing videos before. It's my first time doing an unboxing video. It's my first time receiving anything from any brand, so I'm excited about that. So this company called Hollantex reached out to me. I wanted to send me free fabrics, and I'm like, please, Ankara any day, I'm down for it. And I've followed their page before, and they have really nice Ankara designs, really unique designs. So I was just really happy when they reached out to me. So thank you so much, Hollantex, for, I don't know, giving me this free wonderful fabrics. I'm sure I haven't opened it yet, but I'm sure they're going to be really beautiful fabrics here. So let's just get to unboxing this box. All right. Yes. Ooh. I love this. Thank you. So excited. Wow. Ready? Let's open this. Ta-da! Wow. Thank you so much. Very nice. Oh, I love it. This is so nice. I love this. I love orange. Ooh, so beautiful. This is my favorite. I love it. It's really nice. Wow, I just opened the box and I'm really happy with what's inside. So beautiful. I love the colors, I love the patterns. So the first fabric here is this beautiful, oh, just look at that. Lovely. I love the color. It's like purple, red, blue, and peach. It is so beautiful. Love it. It's 100% cotton, super wax, Hollantex. Yeah, it is so beautiful. I love it. I think it's 3 meters in here. That's enough for me to make something really beautiful. And I'm gonna be sharing what I make as well using this fabric. So keep watching. Stay tuned on the channel. We're gonna make beautiful outfits using these fabrics. So next one is, oh, I love this. It's so beautiful. I am speechless, really. It's such a beautiful print. I've never seen a print like this before. It's such a unique, beautiful print. Just look at that. And I love orange. You can see I'm wearing like orange as well today. It is so nice. Ooh, lovely, lovely, lovely. This is probably the first one I'm gonna use. I love it. Thank you so much, Hollantex. So if you're interested in getting these fabrics, or you just want to explore their website, I'm going to leave a link to their website in the description box below, so do check them out. They have really beautiful, unique prints. I've never seen prints like this. They're not really common, popular prints, so that's a good thing. You can stand out and be unique. This one is also beautiful. I love it. Love the light background and then the bold print. It is so nice. Just take a look at that. So beautiful. This is I got 3 beautiful Ankara fabrics. I love all of them. Really, really, really impressed with the quality and the print. This is really good. It looks really good. Quality looks good. I'll probably do like a wash test and iron test later, but from what I can see so far, it's good. It's not like shiny, plasticky. You know those Ankara fabrics that you just can't tell it's not original. This one is really, really good. Quality feels good. Yeah. Good things to say about this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video with your friends who love Ankara fabrics. They can check out the website and get themselves beautiful fabrics to make beautiful outfits. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.